Samurai, guardians of honor and justice in ancient Japan. The birth of the samurai era coincides with the Heian period in 794 AD. Rulers, seeking protection, began employing well-trained military servants. Thus, the samurai, literally meaning those who serve, emerged as a distinctive class. These warriors came from noble or warrior families, known as abushi. As much as they were fierce fighters, they were also cultured, educated men. They studied literature, calligraphy, tea ceremonies, and other arts, cultivating not just their martial prowess, but their minds as well. The samurai adopted Bushido, the way of the warrior. This strict code was their moral compass, based on values of loyalty, courage, veracity, compassion, and honor. It guided their actions and decisions, shaping their lives and destinies. The samurai's armor, or ayaroi, reflected their identity. Each uniquely crafted piece represented a symbolic aspect. Helmets or kabuto, for instance, were symbols of status, often adorned with powerful symbols like horns, crest, or Buddhist imagery. Weapons were the samurai's soul. The katana, a curved, slender, single-edged blade, was their primary weapon, while the wakizashi, a short sword, was used in close quarters. Together, they were known as the daisho, symbolizing the samurai's power and social standing. Renowned samurai warriors graced the battlefield with their courage and skills. Minamoto no Yoshitsune, a legendary samurai from the late Heian and early Kamakura period, was famed for his prowess and his tragic death. Miyamoto Musashi, an undefeated duelist, was another notable figure, known for his mastery of dual swordsmanship. The Kamakura period marked the golden age of the samurai. They became the ruling class and established a military government, the Ibukufu. This period saw the proliferation of samurai culture and the Bushido code. However, the samurai's power began to wane during the Edo period. The Tokugawa shogunate brought peace, and with no wars to fight, the samurai shifted to administrative roles. They slowly became bureaucrats rather than warriors. The Meiji Restoration in 1868 sounded the death knell for the samurai. The new government sought to modernize Japan and abolished the samurai class. Yet, the samurai legacy lived on, remembered and revered for their dedication and honor. Today, the samurai continue to impact Japanese culture and society. Their principles of discipline, respect, loyalty, and honor are deeply ingrained in Japanese society. They also influence martial arts, literature, films, and even fashion. Modern interpretations of samurai life and culture continue to captivate global audiences. Films like Akira Kurosawa's Seven Samurai, Last Samurai, and animations like Samurai Jack attest to this fascination. They portray the samurai not just as warriors, but as embodiments of honor, loyalty, and justice. The samurai's influence extends beyond entertainment. In business, the samurai's principles inspire leadership and management philosophies. Many Japanese companies adopt the samurai's dedication to duty, discipline, and ethical conduct as core values in their operations. Samurai aesthetics also influence modern fashion. Designers often incorporate elements of samurai armor into their creations, blending traditional and contemporary styles. This fusion creates a unique fashion statement that echoes the samurai's distinctive identity. The samurai's legacy also thrives in martial arts. Kendo, Aido, and Kenjutsu embody the samurai's swordsmanship principles. These martial arts preserve and propagate the samurai's values of discipline, respect, and honor. In the realm of literature, the samurai's tales of valor and honor inspire countless novels and poems. Their stories, steeped in tragedy and triumph, resonate with readers, offering timeless lessons on courage, loyalty, and honor. Samurai history also drives tourism. Historic sites like samurai museums, residences, and castles attract millions of visitors each year. They offer a glimpse into the samurai's world, igniting interest in their history and culture. The samurai's influence in video games is profound. Titles like Ghost of Tsushima, Sekiro, Shadows Die Twice feature samurai as protagonists. These games encapsulate the samurai's spirit of courage, honor, and duty. Japanese cuisine too owes much to the samurai. The samurai's diet, rich in fish, rice, vegetables, and fermented foods, shaped traditional Japanese cuisine. Today, this healthy, balanced diet is celebrated worldwide for its taste and nutritional benefits. Even in death, the samurai leave their mark. The ritual of a seppuku, a form of ritual suicide by disembowelment, is a haunting reminder of the samurai's commitment to honor and duty. It stands as a powerful symbol of their unwavering dedication to the Bushido Code. In conclusion, the samurai's legacy stands as a testament to their indomitable spirit, unwavering duty, and dedication to honor. Despite their decline, the samurai continue to impact and inspire modern society in myriad ways. Their story, rooted in courage, honor, and justice, continues to resonate, reminding us of the timeless virtues of discipline, respect, and loyalty.